I have not taken the question, just randomly filled based on my assumptions, so that I can explain you for the different patterns of quads possible with respect to 4 variable K-map. Okay, so if this is the case, how many quads possible now? Look at this K-map. So how many quads possible now? So think quads. So you can group like this. This is one quad and this is another quad. Okay, two quads. So remaining are all zeros. Okay, if this is a quad, what is the answer? So everything here you will get cancels. The answer is A bar B bar. The expression for this quad is A bar B bar, and the expression for this was AB. So the final answer is y is equal to A bar B bar plus AB. Okay, coming here. So look at this. How many quads possible? Two quads. This one and this one. Okay, I have not written the thing here. So for this one, look at this. If this is the quad, what is the expression? So here look at this, and this B bar B cancels, A bar remains, C bar remains, D bar D cancels. So A bar C bar will be the answer for this one. Okay, let me write once again, not a problem. Okay, what is the answer for this quad? Look at here, A bar B bar A bar B. B bar B cancels, A bar will remain same. Here C bar D bar, C bar D. So D bar and D get cancels. C bar will remain here. Here A bar and C bar will be the expression for this quad. And plus, what is the expression for here? Look at it, B bar will get cancels, A remains. Here D bar will get cancels, C remains. So the answer will be A, C will be the expression for this one. So let me go with making quad. How many possible quads are possible here? So there is a possibility of two quads, 1 and 2. So what is the answer? When it is an horizontal one, neglect all this. Everything will get cancels here. So directly write C bar D bar. So here directly write CD. So the expression will be y is equal to C bar D bar plus, so CD is the answer for this one, these two, this K-map. So look at this. So how many quads possible now? So when you look at this, you might think like there is no possibility of a quad, right? So there is no 4 ones here, 0 0 0 0, there is no 4 ones. So there is no possibility quad. You feel like that at the first impression. But next you think, is there any possibility of a quad by overlapping? So there is no point in overlapping here, so neglect. So again think, is there any possibility of quad if you roll this one like roll like this? So look at this, if I roll like this, there is a possibility of a quad. Right. So we are left with 1 and 1. So if you roll like this, you can make a pair like this, pair. Okay, so before making a pair, you need to think whether you can you combine these ones with any other one, so that should form a quad. Is there any possibility of making a quad, one more quad like this? Yes, there is a possibility. So look at here. So these are edges. So in all the 4 directions, if you combine like this, if you roll like this, all of them will interact, all of them will join, like this. So there is a possibility of a quad, 1 1 1 1. This is also a possibility of a quad. So how many quads totally? 2 quads. So what is the answer for this first quad? A bar B bar A B bar. A bar A cancels, B bar remains. So y is equal to B bar. So look up here, C bar D bar C bar D. D bar D cancels, C bar remains. So B bar C plus. Now look at these 4 edges. This is one more quad, right? 4 edges means take this one into consideration, C D bar and C bar D bar. So C bar C cancels, D bar remains. Okay, take this one and this one, A bar B bar A B bar. A bar A cancels, B bar remains. So B bar and D bar will be the answer for this. Let me go with here. So how many possible quads possible? How many quads possible? So at the first impression you feel like this is a one quad. Okay, second impression you feel like this is one more quad. So you look at these two, this can be a pair, but think deeply. If you roll like this, so these two will interact with these two, so then there is one more possibility of a quad. So you should make a pair grouping only when there is no possibility of a quad. You should check in all the directions. So when there is not at all possibility of a quad, then you should go with a pair. Okay, what is the expression for this? Y is equal to this one. When there is a horizontal quad, neglect all this, everything will get cancels. The answer is AB bar plus let me take this quad for one, CD bar, D bar get cancels, C remains. Here A bar B, AB, A bar A get cancels, B, so BC is the answer. Plus, so this quad rolling, CD bar, C bar, D. So C bar, C cancels, D bar remains here, and here A bar A cancels, B remains here. So B and what is left? BD bar will be the final answer for this one. Look at this last. So how many possible quads now? So when you look at this, you go with the horizontal one quad, right? Then two quads, right? Then three quads, right? So then there is one left, edges, four quad. So totally four quads possible. You got it. One is straight quad, next four, second quad, next overlapping like this, third quad. So edges 1 1 1 1. So we had left with a single one. So you can't isolate it. So then also you need to check for whether is there any possibility of a quad. If there is no possibility of a quad, then you should think about a pair. If there is no possibility of a pair, then you should go with this isolation. Here is one, here is one, here is one, and here is one. By using a concept called overlapping and rolling both, you can make a quad again. So for four quads possible now here in this. Okay. So these are some of the possibilities of quad.